मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुन सदाई दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की ए मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार हो ए मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुन सदाई दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की मंजिल प्यार की dear viewers, first of all, subscribe my YouTube channels, and today my the voice about different Indians musics, Indians great lectures about different voice 19 to 97 to 18 before the super hit songs. These songs was Qiyamat Se Qiyamat Tak. Although Narran was very famous on those times, these songs. But after Nadeem Sharwan's makes to Kumar Sanu songs, and he makes after Kumar Sanu takes to awards, and this was a great opportunity for the singings Kumar Sanu songs. And just like to Kumar Sanu had 19 songs, great singers, but the both singers have great difference. The people who love to join love to anyone's lovers, and the people's loves to when you are loving to someone's जब आप महफिल में किसी कंपनी में होते हैं आप मोहब्बत से तो आप जो है in those time company when your lovers yours near you love to the voice of Uddat Narran's in the player's voice is, and after when you to adopt solitudes जब आप उदासी में होते हैं सरो होते हैं जब उदास होते हैं तो जब तन्हा होते हैं when you solitudes the great voice effect on the Uddat Narran's या जब आपके साथ जो है कोई धोखा होता है when you cheat to any person to fraud with you, and you are going to solitudes and you are alive, and when you feel to the voice great voice of Kumar Sanu, and these both difference the voice great difference. Every individual is different to other psychological terms, and different voice different people say or different mind and different their feelings, and different people to love with different kind of peoples, and the Kumar Sanu songs is when you solitudes, and just like to in those times to 19th Nadeem Sharwan's these was very famous songs when you solitude, just like to a song. First of all, please subscribe my YouTube channels and go to comments, and the songs was famous. Ab tere bin जी लेंगे हम अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम जहर जिंदगी का पी लेंगे हम क्या हुआ जो एक दिल टूट गया क्या हुआ जो एक दिल टूट गया अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम जहर जिंदगी का पी लेंगे हम पी लेंगे हम पी लेंगे हम पी लेंगे हम जी लेंगे हम. These songs was very famous on those time to Ashki films, because the different lovers when they were feeling to just like to distress and just like to solitudes, and the voice was Kumar Sanu telecast, and because his voice was very effective, and when she motivation she underside to voice inner side voice to very effective on others, and just like to stone is broken, and the mire is broken, his voice is very effective and very feeling force and very emotional voice, inspirations voice, and these solitudes in the lovers feels to about these, and these poets and these singers are the making different voice. And today this great lectures, please subscribe and give to comments, and wait for my other video. And today is enough, and thank for watching.